Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix TikTok no internet connection. So here you can just open the TikTok app. So that's the problem. Something went wrong, try again later. So how to fix it? So please don't skip the video. You can just watch the full video of solution. So go back on the home screen and you will just go and check Play Store the update of TikTok app. Make sure your app is latest version. So there is no update is required. So now go back and in the home screen just click to app management and from here find TikTok. So open the TikTok app and click to storage usage clear cache, not clear data. So you will just click to clear cache and go back and check the permissions. So if the permissions are also allowed and your app is not working, so go back. And now what to do, you will just restart your phone and your app will be work. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.